Hello everyone, welcome to Campus to Corporate, where we bring real placement stories from Narayana Business School. Today we have Bhavika Mulchandani. Congratulations for getting placed in S&P Global. Could you please tell about the company and the role you got designated for?
So, hello Smriti, I'm Bhavika Mulchandani. I'm from Udaipur, Rajasthan. Recently, I got placed at S&P Global. So, basically, S&P Global is a global leader provider of financial information, markets, insights, and research. So, it works under the 5 division, which includes S&P Global Market Intelligence, Commodities, Mobility, and Indices also. If I talk you about the customers of the S&P, the banks, the financial institution, government bodies, they all are the customers of S&P who rely on their data, and the S&P give so that they can get the insights for their business decisions.
Great. So how was the interview process?
So, interview process combines of 4 rounds. It starts with the basic aptitude test, and then comes the case study, where they gave us the case study on generative AI, which is the most recent topic, as you know. And then the 2 interview rounds. The first round is the technical round, which includes more of the finance related questions. They basically ask finance related financial statements and basic of data concepts. And then comes the last round, which includes HR plus technical. Basically, I have appointed as the private market cluster, so they ask about the private market, their basic concepts, and other than that, more of a situation based questions like how do you manage stress and pressure. As you know, this was the whole process. So they don't only check knowledge, they also check the confidence, the consistency, how you manage to answer them. So yeah.
Great insights. Moving further, I would like to ask that what kind of experiences or CECs or maybe the mentors at NBS has helped you the most?
So if I tell you about my mentor and the faculty members, they are very supportive. They helped you from the starting to the end of the interview process. In fact, the placement team also helped us throughout the whole process. They guided us, they gave us the proper feedback so that we can manage to improve ourselves and perform well better there. And then if I tell you about the experiences, academic, you have a CC assignments and various group projects, so you need to focus on that. You need to come out of your comfort zone and perform there in front of everybody, so that you can improve your communication skills and the confidence level, which helped you throughout your placement process.
True, I completely agree with you. Also, could you please tell us that did your internship has helped you somewhere to build your professional career?
Yeah, of course, internship and projects, this all helped you throughout your all process. Like starting from the day 1, you get the assignments, and then at the end of the first year, where you get to know about your internship. I did the internship at a chartered accountant firm, which I worked on the data validation and reconciliation. So if I tell you, it helped me overly. Where in the leadership skills, if I tell you, like accuracy, you cannot play with data, you have to be accurate most of the times. So yeah, that's all the things. If I combine all the things, it helps me throughout my placement process, throughout my placement also. You get the real world exposure there in your internship. You get to know how the corporate works, how the corporate works, and how these things eventually works. So yeah, this experience is very useful and very contributed to your placement journey.
Perfect. And lastly, one piece of advice that you would like to give your juniors?
There are several advices I would like to give. First advice is that you need to focus on your base. If you are a finance student, or if you are a marketing or IT, whatever, so you need to be perfect. You have to be your perfect foundation. You have to be your clear fundamentals, so that you can perform better, you know the terms and all. And then other than that, you need to step out, like in assignments, in CEC, in group project or other events like club activities. Also come out of your comfort zone and perform in front of others. Here is nobody to judge you, so here you can prepare yourself for the future, for the placement where you need to perform better. So yeah, this I can give. And other than that, as I am a IT person also, I have a IT specialization also, I believe that if you know some tools like Power BI, Excel, SQL, so it will be very beneficial for you. Keep upgrading yourself, keep improving yourself, getting feedback from the placement teams, from the faculty members, so that you can improve yourself, you can improve your communication skills and more of the technical side, which give you a good exposure. So I believe that these are the advice I can give to you.
Surely these are the best advices I would say that a senior can give. Thank you so much, Bhavika, for sharing your insights, and I'm sure that a lot of us are going to be inspired by this.
Thank you, Smriti.